Hello, and welcome to ZanyGeek, and today we are upgrading the RAM on a HP Pavilion gaming laptop, and here is how. We've got our Phillips head. The first thing we're going to use is our X-Acto scalpel to pop off these two little screw hole coverings. And now we have got 10 screws on that, and one screw in each of these corner sections to remove. So get those undone. Once you remove those screws, we want to take the battery out and then remove these little corner sections. And on this bottom section closest to us, we have got 6 screws to remove, again with the Phillips head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Get started on those. Right, once we have those removed, we're going to slide out the disk drive tray. Right, so flip the laptop back over, open it up, lever this front panel with the keyboard away from the base of the laptop case. Now it is a bit fiddly, especially these corner sections near the monitor. So be wary, but be aware that you're going to have to give it a little bit of pressure to remove it. Alright, so once we've got that, we're going to turn the laptop back over, and we've got our RAM there. We're going to slide the base of this case off, and here we can see we have our current RAM. We are going to slide the two holding clips out, get that RAM pushed in, and once it is in, you gently press it down into its resting position, and those two little side arms will clip into place, and hey presto, we've doubled the RAM to 16 gigs on this HP Pavilion gaming laptop, and now we just have to go for the home straight. So slide the base of the case back onto the laptop. And once you've got that in its correct position, you can flip it back over and now clip the keyboard section back onto that base case, making sure you get it all clipped in around the monitor. And again, it's nice and fiddly, but you'll get there. Flip the laptop back over, and we're sliding the disk drive tray back into place, and we are putting our 6 screws on this close end to us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Get started with your Phillips head. And then we're going to put in these 10 screws on the bottom of the case. And finally, placing these two corner sections back into their position, and the screw on each side to keep those secure. And we've finished with our Phillips head for now. We're going to cover up those two little screwdriver holes, and hey presto, we've doubled the RAM. We've been ZanyGeek, game responsibly.